Today we're going to learn a song by Tye Tribbett. I'll be playing in a key of C. What can I do? I'm going to be playing a small section of the song because the progression covers through the song. It's the same progression in and out. You know, it keeps on looping. So, tell me, what can I do? I can't live without you. I can't live without you. Tell me, what can I do? I can't live without you. I can't live without you. So tell me, what can I do? I can't live without you. I can't live without you. Alright, so basically, in any key that you're going to be playing in, it's going to be the same progression. So you only have to look for the scale and then form the chords in that key. So I'm going to be playing my C chord, A, E, and then A, C, E. That's the very first one. And then from here you move to the fourth chord, which is F, C, and then F, A, C. That's the basic chord. I mostly add the G to form my ninth chord. And then this is my chord 1. Right, C, C, you can add the G in the middle. And then I'm playing an inversion. G, C, D, E. So basically this is it. And then my fifth chord. Right, my G and then D. G, A, B, and then D. So tell me, I can't live without you. I can't live without you. This is my mind, this is my soul. You control my mind. 'Cause I tried it on my own mind. But what I found is I could make it on my own. I could make it, I could make it on my own, on my own. I could make it. Alright, so subscribe and then leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I believe these course will help you to play the song.